this is Lucky, a fashion model from Hyderabad. So guess where I am? I'm at Shashi Wangapalli Culture. And then today I came to visit this place and I have amazing collection, amazing outfits, everything is just amazing here. So the outfit which I wore consists of three pieces, which consist of a crop top, a overcoat and a palazzo pant. It's not a palazzo, but it's type of, shahara thing, and it suits almost every Indian skin tone. So it has the beautiful crop top with a mirror plated border, and the palazzo or the sharara pant, which acts as a coordinate to this. It is also just amazing with a shrimped palazzo look, and blacks look amazing on every girl. So it even had a long overcoat with stripped or straight lines, these lines with golden plated and everything. So this total outfit comes only in the price of 11,999. So if you want to grab this outfit, please do order online, and you can order to this number and just scan it and place your orders and grab this outfit. So the next outfit which I'm going to explain here is about again the three-piece set, but it's not a crop top. It's kind of a kurti thing, which is in lime yellow color and a tinted golden, Turkish green, blue, pink, orange shades, and the borders and the small floral designs, which comes excellent with this metal platings. You can see this metal platings, which adds extra to this. And you have the stripped palazzo, which acts as a coordinate again. And this outfit looks amazing on each and every girl, I can say. And it also consists of a dupatta, which is again in a net form of lime yellow and tinted floral orange pink shades. And you could grab this outfit for the just price of just 9,999. So if you want to grab this outfit, just ping to this number or order online and scan this. You could just amazing collection. So yeah, this is a beautiful maroon and burgundy type of color. So this has the mirror plating border. This is a beautiful anarkali, which I could explain with a three-piece set again. It consists of a dupatta, naturally with netted cloth, and this is a georgette cloth with a beautiful floral printed, and you have this georgette cloth and the mirror, bordered kind of things of this anarkali. All those looking for anarkalis, don't go anywhere. Just come to Shashi Wangapalli Culture and just look at this and grab this outfit for just rupees 6,930 rupees. So you could get this beautiful, amazing anarkali for just 6,930 rupees. So you can place orders online. Here is another amazing anarkali with a coffee brown, and that was the burgundy color, not the maroonish type of tinted color. But the same design goes with this mirror plating border and the beautiful anarkali with long coated thing. So you have this anarkali and the back looks amazing too. And you have this beautiful droppings at the back. So this amazing beautiful golden droppings which coordinate of golden kind of plated images. With the coffee brown, you could just get this outfit for rupees 6,930. And if you want to grab this outfit, just scan it or just order to this number. Don't miss this outfit. So this is a navy blue outfit, which has the ash type of brown or something like floral designs on it, and it is an anarkali with three-piece set, coordinates with maroon chunni, like a dupatta, but it is not the same color because some alternate contrast color looks amazing on this anarkalis as well. So it has the beautiful netted hands, like the same pattern made, you have netted thing. It is very comfortable to wear with the zip along with it. So don't worry, you have the amazing coordination with it. So if you're looking for a navy blue and maroon contrast anarkali, just order this for just rupees 6,930 rupees. So you'll just get this beautiful outfit for this price. So if you want to order this online, just order to this, ping to this number and do it. So this is another long anarkali which comes with a tint of Turkish blue, navy blue and a brown floral print on it. You have this amazing mirror work which acts as an overcoat, but it is not an overcoat, it is just stitched to the fabric. And you have the coordinates with a pant and probably a chunni with the same coordination color. And this is a 3-piece coordinate. You could get this amazing outfit for rupees maybe for 6,930 again. So to get this beautiful outfit, just order to this number. So yeah, here comes my favorite again. It is the same piece which I am wearing, but the color differs. So this is a black outfit, as it looks as I am wearing it now. It looks so amazing and it is comfortable to wear. So just, it is a 3-piece coordinate which consists of this amazing mirror braided border, crop top, and then a nice sharara pant, and as a plazo or sharara, which look amazing. And then the over-striped coat with golden thing, you know, you could see this golden stripes on the overcoat. And then these tiny beautiful addings, it just gives amazing look to this. So the same outfit which I am wearing is in black color, and this comes in a reddish thing, and it suits almost every Indian skin tone. So to get this beautiful outfit, again, get it to the price of 11,999 only. So you get this beautiful outfit. So if you want to order this, and do not miss this outfit, I say, because it is so comfortable to wear, so easy to handle, and it looks amazing in pictures though. So this is one of my favorite color, Turkish blue. You have this again 3-piece coordinate, but it has a side slits, the beautiful dropping. You could see the golden droppings. I cannot take my eyes off it. Just amazing, because blue or this plated metallic rustic gold coordinates very well with this Turkish blue. So it has this amazing netted hands with a cotton type of thing, which does not create irritation to your skin or something like that. And you have this beautiful bindi or kundan type printed neck patch over here. And then you could find this long over kurti, or you could say a sharara kurti, because it compiles frills in between, and then the pattu look at the borders, and it also has a slit, which completely we can say an Indo-Western look. Yes. So it combines with a green chunni which has this kalankari print, which completely gives an Indian look, not Western look, because it has the side slits with the pattu look and also the plazo look. So just get this outfit, Turkish blue with the gold, beautiful droppings and everything. You could just get this for the price of 11,999. So if you want to order this outfit, so just ping to this number and just get your order done. Do not miss this outfit, it is so amazing. So yeah, it is again a beautiful dropping again. So the whole outfit have one attire, and this dropping have the different look and everything. So it is also an Indo-Western look, which has this pink type of border, like it has a lace type or something, and you have this beautiful neck printed bindi or kundan type of work on your neck or patch till your waist, and you have this amazing netted long kurti type with the gold plated flowers, stripes, and the designs on it. And this one has a side slit and easy to wear with zip. And then it even has a drawing at the back. So to get this outfit online, order online, and then you could get this for the price of 11,999. So this beautiful outfit for just 11,999, you can just go and order. So this is a pastel rose color, which is high necked but easy to wear. It has this beautiful, it is a sleeveless one. It has this beautiful dropping type of, small thermocol ball type neck work, and it has this shrimp look of this from the waist. If you wear the shrimp look or something, it looks amazing on every Indian girl. So these rose pastel colors are amazing, and then it has this beautiful silver tint of small bindi or kundan type on it, with a beautiful striped same design, even though every of it. And then you have the small floral or some flowers here and there. Like, it is so amazing on this pastel color. So it is a sharara. Like, it comes under the sharara pant, and you don't need to wear anything. Like, it's just enough, and it coordinates with a beautiful dupatta again, which has the neck piece. So you don't need to wear a neck chain or something like a choker or something, because it already has this beautiful neck lace to it, and then coordinates with this ruffle chunni or a dupatta to this, which acts as a coordinate. So yeah, it has a beautiful lace, like metal rustic gold tint color, which goes with rose pastel colors. So to get this outfit, order online, and it is just for rupees 10,199. So yeah, another anarkali, which goes with the same overall, and it just have a neck type of design over this. You could see this gold metallic rustic plated design with a coffee brown and a maroon type of printed look on this. This anarkali also have a grey color dupatta and a coordinate pant with this, which looks amazing on every girl, I can say. And this coffee color and maroon coffee printed look and this type of anarkali are just amazing. So to get this beautiful outfit, you can just order online to this number, and you could get this beautiful outfit just for rupees 6,750. So yeah, as it is a wedding season, you'll have haldi functions and all. So I can understand that yellow pastel color theme in almost every Indian marriage. So to get that, you have this beautiful outfit in Shashi Vangapalli Kacha. So this outfit is same as I explained for the pastel pink type of color. So this is a high neck thing. This is a high neck kurti with a sleeveless over like a crop top type thing, which has this beautiful golden silver plated straight embroidered design on it, and it has a shrimp look, which looks like a sharara or a shrimp palazzo planned from far, but it is not. So it has this beautiful striped look with a golden and silver type of tint embroidery, and then it coordinates with a palazzo inside, with a ruffle palazzo or a shrimp palazzo inside. So yeah, this outfit also has amazing dupatta with a ruffle thing. So for all those girls looking for haldi functions, haldi designer wears, this outfit is the best. So it has this amazing net dupatta with a gold or rustic silver look, which has this ruffles. And then you don't need to wear any neck chain or neck piece because it has a beautiful embroidered chain to this. So yeah, this dupatta also has this neck type of choker to this, and you don't need to wear any chain or something extra garments for this. And you could get this amazing outfit for just rupees 9,999, just for 9,999. So all those looking for haldi functions, do not go anywhere, just come here or order online, which is convenient to you. So it is just for 9,999. This beautiful yellow haldi look color. Again the rose pastel color. So yeah, it is another kind of the same thing, but it has the darker shade of pink, where it consists of magenta pink and a mixture of Rani pink, you can say, pastel pink, which also coordinates with 3-piece set with a dupatta, with a palazzo and with a shrimp kurti. So you have this crop top type of look when you see from far, which has this amazing thermocol ball type of straight line look, and it is a high collar neck kurti, and it has a sleeveless. It also has this amazing shrimp type of look from the down, which has this amazing straight line, that beautiful dropping and the golden silver embroidered bindis on it. So the shrimp looks amazing from far and near to. So yeah, it coordinates with the dupatta, ruffle dupatta again, which goes with a lace, which gives an extra attraction to this, which goes with the lace and the ruffle look, the pink pastel color. Every Indian girl, there is a myth called every Indian girl like pink pastel colors, but it is not true. They love black actually. So you can get this beautiful pink pastel rose color for just rupees 9,999. So this outfit for 9,999. So don't miss this outfit. Rose pastel color suits you. So this has emerald green, which is ultimate color, I can say, for all the events and functions over there. So it has the golden, zigzag type of design chain, which comes with the golden rustic yellow, and you have the beautiful dropping neck palette, which is a 3-piece set again. It is sleeveless. It comes with the over top like this, which has this beautiful rustic and type of Mughal thing, Mughal kindish Turkish blue, green, and the beautiful golden, maroon, pink, everything suits on this. So you have this metal rustic droppings over this. You have this crop, you can say crop top and netted top from your waist, but it is a whole top, and it coordinates with the green palazzo, shrimped ruffle palazzo again, or you can call it a sharara. It is like a half top and the sharara, which compiles with the green dupatta again with a nice border, and the green coordinates very well with the rustic yellow or rustic gold thing. So this beautiful outfit, which is emerald green, suits for almost all events and functions. So you could get this outfit for just rupees 10,599. I repeat, 10,599 pay. You'll get this beautiful green emerald color 3-piece set. Just order them online. Just because the design is amazing, you have the another different collection, like the same collection in different color. You have this burgundy color, which suits almost every Indian skin tone, and this is also combined with a nice neck embroidered chain and a zigzag type of golden embroidered petals or something like that. And then you have this short net slits over here, and a beautiful golden rustic droppings over there. And it is combined with palazzo plant, ruffled or shrinked palazzo or sharara, which has this amazing 2-stitched. It is a pant, sharara pant, with a beautiful coordinate of a chunni. It is a 3-piece set which consists of dupatta, normal kurti type of, it looks like a crop top, but it is a kurti one piece, and then the sharara or the palazzo, shrimped ruffle palazzo type. So you could get this nice beautiful golden rustic burgundy 3-piece set for just rupees 10,599. So to just get this outfit, beautiful burgundy 3-piece outfit, just order to this number, 10,599 rupees only. So you could get this beautiful outfit at this price. So yeah, and I could see this different amongst all, because everything is in crepe or georgette material, and this comes in a proper cotton material, which comes with a nice floral print here and there, and then the black with lime yellow suits best. So you have this beautiful, I don't know what to say about this print. It's just amazing, and it looks so elegant. It is so amazing to to look at this directly. And it is a long kurti which has the V neck with a sleeveless, compiled with a black printed thing on a cotton, and it has this broad borders. You know, you could see this broad borders, and it did not left this borders plain alone. So it even has this printed lime yellow and black printed look on these borders. These borders are amazing. Just beautiful, amazing, you know, this print. And you have this cotton netted thing. So lime yellow and black acts as amazing coordination. So you have this kurti, long kurti with the black dupatta combined for rupees 6,660. So to get this lime yellow and compiled with the cotton, you know, printed thing, long kurti, if you're looking for it, just order it online and then get this amazing outfit to your doorstep. So here is another amazing brown coffee color of anarkali, which has this amazing platings over here. These border laces are just amazing, which has this rustic gold color with a floral type of embroidered design. It is a one-piece kurti or anarkali, you can call it as, but it actually looks like a waistcoat or overcoat. It is not stitched to that, so it is just one piece. It is not an overcoat, but it looks amazing with the mirror work as if it is a waistcoat over this anarkali or something. And it even has a beautiful droppings, which gives the traditional South Indian look. These beautiful droppings, rustic gold droppings with a coffee brown anarkali, just amazing. So to get this beautiful outfit, you could get this just for the price of 6,750. So if you want this outfit, order it online for just 6,750. Another favorite color of mine. So this is Turkish blue, which has, you know, the Rajasthani look or Indo-Western look completely. It is a three-piece set which has this beautiful mirror work, Rajasthani mirror work, I can say, with a colorful thing, because, you know, Turkish blue goes with almost everything, but these people printed so well with a, you know, beautiful coordination colors with light green, pink, maroon, purple, everything goes well on this outfit. And they even have this beautiful droppings, like pink droppings, and it has a main slit, like it has a slit in the center. It doesn't completely look like a Rajasthani attire nor completely a Indo-Western attire, I can say, because it has a center slit which looks amazing. It looks so, you know, modern type of thing. So it has a shrimped kurti type, and it is a three-piece coordinate which coordinates with the netted dupatta, the same Turkish blue netted dupatta, and then the sharara, shrimped palazzo or sharara under this with a straight slit. And look at these hands. They have these amazing embroidered hands, mirror work, and the pink droppings, and inside they have the beautiful net, which this embroidery doesn't cause any skin irritations, so you can just order this online. And this beautiful color, beautiful three-piece outfit set, you could just get this online for 12,999. 12,999, this beautiful outfit. And it even has this beautiful droppings at the back, which is completely like a Rajasthani look or attire, which almost goes with every Indian skin type and everything. So beautiful neck at the back. You have this three-piece set. So yeah, thank you for the live session. So I hope it was amazing. I don't know how many of you like the outfits, but I and my family completely love this collection because they have the elegant look which looks amazing on every event and the Indian attire. So few people have the doubts about the skin tone and the pastel colors, but the coordination, everything suits so well. They have the three-piece coordinates, long frocks, gowns, lehengas, everything. So just order online and then come and visit Shashi Vangibali Culture.